In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your free trial set up and be ready to explore Xero's accounting tools. Let's start at the very beginning, on your web browser. Open any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari, and go to Google. In the Google search bar, type Create Xero Account and press Enter. This is a quick way to get to the correct sign-up page without having to remember the exact web address. On the search results page, look for the official Xero website. It should clearly show the Xero branding and mention signing up or starting a free trial. Click on the result that says something like sign up for free trial or try Xero for free. This will take you directly to Xero's sign up form. Once you're on the Xero sign up page, you'll see a form where you need to enter your details. Typically, this will ask for basic information such as your first name, last name, a valid email address, and possibly your country or region and a phone number. Make sure the email you use is one you can access right away, because Xero will send a confirmation link there. Take a moment to double check your spelling, especially for your email, so you don't run into issues later. You might also be asked about your business, such as the name of your organization and the type of work you do. Fill these fields in as accurately as you can. This helps Xero tailor your experience, but you can usually adjust details later if something changes. After you've entered all the required information, look for the button that takes you to the next step, usually labeled Next Confirmation or something similar. Click that button to continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Xero. This may include confirming your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox, setting a secure password, and possibly answering a few short questions about how you plan to use Xero. Keep an eye on any instructions that appear and complete each step in order. Once you've finished those prompts, your Xero account will be created and your free trial will be active, ready for you to explore the dashboard, connect bank accounts, and start